News coming in, viewers, and a major relief for Sadhguru Isha Foundation. The Supreme Court has closed the habeas corpus petition which was filed against the Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore. The court was hearing the challenge by Sadhguru's establishment, that's Isha Foundation, which in return challenged the order of the Madras High Court directing the police to conduct an inquiry inside the ashram in the habeas corpus plea. While delivering the verdict, the CJI orally said that the court proceedings can't be to malign people and institutions. In fact, now Isha Foundation has also issued a statement, and so has Sadhguru. They have welcomed this verdict. We have, of course, put out that statement by Sadhguru on our screens as well. We have reactions also coming in. Let's listen in.
Namaskaram. I'm Mayu. This just now Dashara got over. They say Dashara is celebration of victory of good over evil. This is something I feel is the victory of truth, Satyameva Jayate. I'd like to thank the Supreme Court of India for reinforcing our trust in the Constitution. Like few allegations from various sides has been that we've been influenced. I'd like to say that I'm a person who's only influenced by what is within me. I don't, right from the beginning of my journey in Isha, I just came, participated in the programs and went back. I've not interacted with anybody. It was not until 7 years after I did the first program that I knew that there's something called monkhood which I could also take. I was such an introvert and a taciturn person. Only after I came to know about it, I came to know that this is the way I'm already living and this is the natural course for me.
Namaskaram. I'm Mati. I am very happy that the judiciary has given a statement like this, and I knew that it's about Satyameva Jayate, truth always triumphs, and I am very proud of this. This is not as an achievement, but this is as a true offering that not only me but plenty of people here and around the world are doing it as an offering. So I wish it's their victory as well, and the truth's victory, it's not ours. And this decision of becoming a volunteer, full-time volunteer, was entirely mine, and nobody has forced me or compelled me to stay here.
All right, Varshini is live with us. Varshini, this has been a major relief for Sadhguru's Isha Foundation. Take us through the observations of the Supreme Court yesterday, and obviously the statement which has now come from the side of Sadhguru and Isha Foundation.
Well, if you see, this is a very important development in this entire case, because we saw the Supreme Court taking suo moto of this case, and they were hearing this, and now they have put aside the habeas corpus petition, which was in fact filed by the two women's mother first, and then the father had moved to the Madras High Court, where an inquiry was also ordered. Therefore, this petition has now been put aside by the Supreme Court, which is a big relief for the Isha Foundation. And the Supreme Court in the yesterday during the hearing, the Chief Justice had very clearly stated that this is for this petition. This petition is over. Moving forward, this has to not come in between any other things, because the order that has been given by the Supreme Court cannot be taken for the other cases that the police are investigating, is what they've stated. And on the other hand, the Supreme Court has also spoken to the two women. Therefore, the Supreme Court stated yesterday that the women are on free will, and if parents want to convince their children, they have to talk to the children and not come to the courts, because they are adults and they have their own free will. And apart from this, there are also several other things that the Supreme Court had mentioned about the remaining cases, because the Tamil Nadu police had filed a report that was asked by the Supreme Court, and in fact this report was something that was also ordered by the Madras High Court to be conducted. So this that was submitted by the Tamil Nadu police mentioned about the remaining cases that are still being there,
yes,
the missing cases, the other cases that has been filed against Isha. And
well, absolutely, but in this particular